Watch closely. Those worker bees aren't just wandering aimlessly. Right now, in Sydney's cool autumn, bees are meticulously cleaning out every single wax cell in the hive. It looks obsessive, but there's a vital reason behind it. As nectar sources slow and brood numbers fall, bees shift their focus from building new comb to deep cleaning existing cells. Each cell is scrubbed thoroughly with mandibles and tongues, removing old pollen, wax debris, and even microscopic mold spores. Why is this so important? Any trapped debris or moisture can trigger disease or mold growth as temperatures drop. Maintaining healthy, spotless comb is their best defense for surviving the colder months. Sydney's humid nights and fluctuating autumn temperatures make this cleaning even more critical. Mold can develop rapidly in neglected hives. Here's the surprising twist. If you see a cluster of bees head down inside empty cells, they're not stuck or lost. They're cleaning, not searching for food. This intense cleaning signals the hive is preparing for fewer brood, consolidating honey stores, and strengthening defenses against pests. At Bee-Croft Honey, we witness this every autumn. This is exactly what our bees are doing right now in Sydney.